Mercedes C300 got problem. Car won't start. Giving you that error on the dashboard. And told you the car in the program can't find a problem. Radius not working either. It's going to show up to antenna wire. So look what you do now. Check for this for the transmission. And what I do is check all the wire plug connector, and I find a lot of error. These wires are burned up inside. Just strip them and join it. And this is the box. Join the wire to here. Put on the positive, and the car will start up. Let me do it. Put this connector back together. That's how you relearn the system. You go like this.